Generous Ed Sheeran has been praised for helping support children's mental health by plowing cash into his old school. He runs a foundation that has plowed £230,000 of his own money into his former seat of learning in the last 4 years. Ed's money has paid for musical equipment, computers, photographic gear and art resources at the Thomas Mills School in Framlingham, Suffolk, where he met wife Cherry Seaborn. He set up his Framlingham Foundation Trust to carry out good works in the area where he grew up, and last year the school received donations of £30,000 from the body. And Richard Hanley, director of music at the school, told Ed's good cause, at a time when music and the arts are recognized as being so vital in pupils' well-being after such an extended period of disruption, this school is very well placed, through the Framlingham Foundation donation to support pupils' musical development and mental health. Thank you. The Trust's accounts filed last week said, following further grants in 2020 to Thomas Mills School, the upgraded art, IT and music rooms continue to provide students and teachers with top-class learning resources and are also able to provide enrichment days and conference days for both primary and secondary students coming in from outside the school. Funds are now being invested largely in infrastructure and to allow the continued high-quality provision these funds facilitate. This has been particularly crucial at this time when usual teaching methods have had to adapt to the changing social landscape. The charity, managed by Ed's manager Stuart Camp, has cash reserves of £460,122 and £8,507 was also spent on kids in Suffolk to buy musical instruments. Ed was out celebrating in central London Soho on Thursday evening, and with good reason. His new record Equals has landed the biggest opening week for an album in 4 years. It's notched up chart sales of 139,000 to outperform the rest of the top 30 combined and is the fastest-selling album here since his third album, Divide, back in March 2017. Ed, who was photographed leaving a restaurant after completing his COVID isolation, told fans via officialcharts.com, "Thank you so much for making Equals the #1 album in the UK. I don't know what else to say, you guys are great." Thank you so much for listening to it. I hope to see you on tour next year.